Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how many XPs you can get from harvesting plants in Grow a Garden. Basically, this is for the seasonal pass. I really want to get the mystical waterfall. I honestly don't really mind not getting the Mizuchi or just getting it till level 50, but I only have 1 day left. So here's the XPs you can get from harvesting. If you harvest a common and uncommon plant, base XP with no mutations, you'll get 1 XP. The max mutations for it is 5 more than that, 5 and more. And you can get 150 XP max from a common plant. For rare, a max of 157 XP, legendary 158, mythical 160, divine 163, prismatic 168, and transcendent 176 XPs. You can also do the quests here. They are a little bit tedious, so I just suggest harvesting plants, any plants that you can kind of harvest here, and do it when there's the witch, so you can submit the fruit and submit the plant instead of selling it. I think is more worth it to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's like how many XPs you get from harvesting plants in Grow a Garden for the season pass. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!